Hi everyone, a very good afternoon from IGA, Istanbul Grand Airport, International Departures. Today is the 12th of April 2025 and I'll be flying back to Hong Kong via Dubai with Emirates. For this video, it will be the Istanbul to Dubai sector with Emirates EK124. Estimated departure time will be 4:25 p.m. local time and I'll be flying in an Airbus A380 economy class. So stay tuned and enjoy.
Burada belli olacak.
The aircraft for today is an Airbus A380 with the registration of A6EEM, delivered to Emirates in November 2013. And this aircraft has a configuration of 14 first class, 76 business class, and 399 economy class. Hello from the Emirates A380 economy class lavatory. This is the front sector, right behind the cockpit. So we have the wooden accent here, sink, looks clean, EDT, hand lotion, the toilet, and another mirror. This is actually a very spacious toilet. Welcome on board Emirates A380 in economy class. This is the older cabin with the ICE Generation 3. This is the screen with the remote control, looks like a PSP. This one comes with the power plug, except the right hand seat, and also USB port, cup holder, and a foldable tray table. Legroom is very generous. In the seat pocket we have the ICE magazine / Inflight shop and air signals bag. Also the safety instruction card. Preset on the seat, we have a blanket, pillow, and the headset.
Welcome to the Inflight Senior Press Officer Jonathan Cope from France, and we have Captain Frank Camilleri from Malta. On the back today we have an excellent team led by President Tara from South Africa. cabin crew here for your safety and security. Flying time is 3 hours 55 minutes and we are climbing altitude of 41,000 feet. Ladies and gentlemen, for safety and security, we recommend you keep the seat belts all the time, even when outside, just in case you encounter turbulence. We also would like to remind you that all kinds of smoking, including e-cigarettes, are prohibited in this flight. Inshallah, just before descending into Dubai, we'll talk to you again about the temperature of the local time in the United Arab Emirates. In the meantime, please sit back, relax, and enjoy this flight. Thank you for joining us.
Our multinational cabin crew on board today come from 20 countries and speak 19 languages. If there's anything we can do to help you, please let us know.
للطيران الإمارات. ربما لن تجدوا هذا الفيديو مسليا أو مشوقا، إلا أنه بالتأكيد قيم ويستحق اهتمامكم لأنه يتعلق بسلامتكم.
دعونا نبدأ الآن.
يوجد تأكد من وضع جميع أمتعتكم بإحكام ونفذ الخزانة العلوية لاختياركم طيران الإمارات.
Dances breaking to song, characters from movies, or celebrities trying to be funny, I'm afraid.
But at Emirates, safety always comes first.
And like this, if you're holding an infant.
Well, lean forward, put your arms tucked under your legs, like this.
سيدتي وسادتي، تتوفر خدمة التسوق على متن طائرة إميريتس ريد طوال الرحلة. استمتعوا بتوفير $15 عند شراء أي عطرين. تنطبق بعض الاستثناءات. اكتشفوا المزيد في كتيب إميريتس ريد في جيب مقعدكم، واطلبوا المساعدة من طاقم الطائرة. على مدار أكثر من 20 عاما ساهمت تبرعاتكم الرجاء إبقاء الأحزمة مربوطة والتأكد من أن جميع الأجهزة الإلكترونية الشخصية مغلقة أو على وضعية الطيران حتى يتم إطفاء إشارة ربط أحزمة المقعد. قبل المغادرة ومن أجل سلامتكم الرجاء توخي الحذر عند فتح خزائن الأمتعة العلوية والتأكد من أخذ جميع متعلقاتكم الشخصية من مقاعدكم.
9:45 and the temperature is 35 degrees Celsius. Please keep your seatbelt fastened and your personal electronic devices switched off or in flight mode until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Before leaving us today, for your safety, please be cautious when opening the overhead locker and remember to check your seat area for any personal belongings. We will be arriving at Concourse A. If you are continuing to another flight, proceed to Airport Connections to transfer to your next gate. If Dubai is your final destination, follow the signs for arrivals. We thank you for flying Emirates. We hope you enjoyed your flight and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you and good evening.
Bizi uçtuğunuz için teşekkür ederiz. Uçuşunuzdan keyif aldığınızı umuyor ve yakın bir zamanda tekrar görüşmeyi diliyoruz. İyi akşamlar.
So I have just arrived in Dubai, Terminal 3, Concourse A. Flight was a bit behind schedule, but not too major, it's just a few minutes. It was full, chaotic, but crews were handling it well. So yeah, it was still a nice Emirates flight, but again, this was the same aircraft which flew me to Istanbul. A6EM, older generation TV. Some of the cameras didn't work, and the headphone as well. My headphone only played the left ear. But yeah, overall it was still an enjoyable flight. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.